Oh no, this is what I'm talking about. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be very useful, so make sure to watch it till the end. So these days I believe everybody has a PC at their home, right? Like either for your work from home purpose, maybe office needs, or maybe for online classes, or at least for gaming needs, right? And my question is, for how long do you guys actually sit in front of your PC? Roughly 4 to 5 hours? You tell me. If you would ask me now, as a creator, this is like my daily job, and I usually spend easily like 6 to 7 hours in front of my PC, guys. And sitting in front of a PC for that long period now is actually not good for your eyes, especially if you don't have like proper ambient lighting. And as a solution for this, a lot of people, what they do is they use desk lamps on their table. Desk lamps are like okay, they help you, but they actually have more problems instead of helping you. First is, if you're having like a small table, space to gaya, it will waste your space. Second is, it doesn't produce like proper lighting suitable for your eyes. And third is, major problem when I used it now, it was producing so many glares and reflections on the screen. I totally removed only. And to solve all these problems, I have something very interesting to show you all from BenQ. So this is a screen bar. You see this lamp over here on top of my monitor? That is what is called as a screen bar, guys. And let me tell you, this thing is like super useful and solves all these problems. And today in this video, we're gonna unbox and check it out. So let's get started. So guys, here's the product I was talking about. It's called the screen bar. So BenQ has actually made two models. One is the regular screen bar and the other one is the plus variant. And today in this video, I'm gonna unbox and show you both of them together. As I've told you earlier, these are e-reading smart LED lights that sit on top of your monitor and are fully controllable at your fingertips. That means you can easily adjust the brightness, you can change the color temperature, has auto dimmer functionality, and the best part is they don't even need a separate power outlet to run their USB part. We'll talk about all that once we get started with the unboxing. So the screen bar comes in this sort of box packaging. We've got the BenQ branding here, a picture of the product on the front, and as you can see, the lamp has also won a couple of different awards. Now going to the back side here, we've got like a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up and use it. Alright, I don't want to waste much time here, so let's do this as quickly as possible. There you go, this is a screen bar I was talking about. Wow, looks sleek, right? And is actually quite big. I was not expecting that. Along with that, you also get a holder slash stand for the lamp, excellent build quality, and lastly, a USB Type-C cable to power up the light. That's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you all a closer look and talk about all of its features. So here's how BenQ's screen bar looks like. It's a smart e-reading monitor lamp and has a cylindrical tube-like form factor. Very good build quality, I'd say. Body is entirely made of anodized aluminum alloy in a black finish and has a touch control panel at the top side in a beautiful glossy finish. I'll give you all a closer look and show you what these individual buttons do at a later part in the video. Now moving on, guys, there's also a Type-C port at the back side to power on this thing. And if you're wondering where the LEDs are, there you go. The screen bar has almost like 80 to 90 bicolor LEDs that are arranged like this and offer a total control over them. You can adjust the brightness, change the color temperature, or even set it to complete auto mode. Pretty awesome, right? I'll give you a complete demo after the unboxing part. Anyways, let me also quickly show you the plus variant of the screen bar. Now, if you guys are wondering like what is the difference between both of them, let me tell you, majority of the features are same. You've got the same number of LEDs with the same brightness and color temperature adjustment. Auto dimmer functionality is also there, but the main difference comes in the way how you use it. The regular screen bar has a built-in touch button kind of interface at the top side, right? But on the plus variant, you get a separate control dial that you can place anywhere convenient for you and adjust everything at your fingertips without even need to getting out of your chair. That is the only major difference. Anyways, let's quickly open the package and check it out. There you go, guys, the screen bar plus in the hand. Oh, we have a slight design change over here. This one comes in a metallic silver color, and as you can see, there are no touch buttons at the top side. Pretty solid build quality, I'd say. And here's the control dial I was talking about. You've got the BenQ branding, ambient light sensor on board, and two buttons to control the screen bar. BenQ has done a good job on the finishing. Love the chamfered edge on the dial. And it's also very easy to use. It's got like two cables at the end, a regular USB which you need to plug it into your PC, and a USB Type-C cable that connects to the screen bar. Now what I'll do is, I'll quickly show you how to set it up and use it. Setting it up is super simple, guys. You don't even need any sort of tool here. It's a very easy to use plug and play device that doesn't even take any space on your desk. All you need to do is just fix this screen bar in the provided holder just like this. As I've shown you earlier, it's an adjustable holder that sits on top of your monitor. There's a grip at the top side that holds the light in place and comes with a rubber grip on the bottom that prevents it from sliding. So take the screen bar, place it in the holder and align it such that the USB-C port is accessible through the cutout. And not to forget, it's also rotatable like this up to a certain angle, so you can easily adjust the lighting angle also as per your convenience. Now all you need to do is just place this stand on top of your monitor just like this. And you don't even need to worry about the compatibility, as this is a universal mount and is compatible with most of the monitors out there. And that's it, guys. Just plug in the USB cable to your PC or a power bank and your screen bar is all set and ready to be used. So let's quickly power it on and see how this thing looks like. Oh wow, looks awesome, right? See, as mentioned earlier, screen bar was mainly designed to replace your regular desk lamp because traditional desk lamps waste a lot of space on your desk and they do not give you like optimal brightness, and also not to forget all those disturbing glares on your screen from the light. All those problems are solved using this screen bar. It features a unique asymmetrical optical design that ensures zero glares on your screen, yet at the same time brightly illuminates your desk. Talking about the features, let me give you all a quick demo and show you all of its controls. You can easily control the screen bar using the touch buttons on top of it. There's a power button to switch it on, auto dimmer function that automatically adjusts the brightness and applies optimal settings for you based on your current environment using this built-in ambient light sensor. And there are also two more buttons, one for the manual LED brightness control and the other one is used to adjust the color temperature. You can adjust the brightness in 14 different steps and the color temperature range is from 2700 Kelvins warm white to 6500 Kelvins cool light. Similarly, on the Plus variant, you can adjust the same things using this control dial. By clicking the dial, you can either power it on or off, and rotating it lets you adjust either the brightness or the color temperature. Now which one to go for is completely up to you. See, if you'd ask me, I prefer the Plus variant as I can keep the control dial close to my mouse and adjust everything at my fingertips without the need to get off my chair and touch the screen bar. Also, I have to mention the dial offers much more precise and accurate control compared to the touch buttons on the regular variant. So it definitely makes a difference for me. Alright guys, now let me share you my experience and feedback on the screen bar. I've been using this product for almost a week now and let me tell you, it actually has like a positive impact on your eyes and makes you feel more comfortable while working. See, me being a creator now, as I've told you, I usually sit for like minimum 6 to 7 hours daily in front of my PC. And when you're working on your PC and if you're not having like proper ambient lighting, it can definitely cause like strain on your eyes and makes you feel uncomfortable. See, this is like a serious problem, not just for me, can be for anybody if you're doing the same thing on your PC. And after I started using this screen bar now, I felt much more comfortable because the whole ambient lighting covering my desk, it was making me feel more relaxing and comfortable, especially when I'm working on my PC, writing my scripts or maybe doing a bit of work. Overall experience was pretty nice and definitely reduced the strain on my eyes. Most of the time I used to set the screen bar to like auto dimming mode only because that will only take care of all the optimal lighting that is suitable to your room, and most of the time I didn't even need to touch the screen bar. That is pretty awesome. And if you talk about the brightness now, brightness was like perfect, guys. At the center it was offering almost like 900 to 1000 lux and the overall area it was covering around like 500 lux. And if you ask about the lifespan, well, the brand mentioned that the LEDs on board have a lifespan of around 50,000 hours. See, on the overall, I was like quite happy and satisfied with the result. It was definitely getting the job done. The only thing I felt now is the price, guys. It's slightly a bit on the expensive side. The base variant, the regular screen bar costs around like 9,999 rupees and is available on Amazon. And the Plus variant costs around like 12,990 rupees. I'll leave links to them in the description box below. If only BenQ could, lower down the prices slightly now, I believe a lot of people could afford it and, can actually help them in their daily lives. So that is pretty much it, guys. So what do you think about this product? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you all enjoyed watching this video and make sure this helped you, definitely smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.